Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Pete, out enjoying an all-new Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. Now what's unique about this model is it's one of the few boats that you can get with either a single or a twin engine package. This one's got some twin Mercury 225s on it, and I gotta tell you, it's a blast to drive. So let's have some fun. So right here, I love when they do this. They leave you with options, or a blank canvas as I like to call it, on a dash. You can get really creative, whether you're married to a specific brand of electronics. One big screen, two small screens, sky's the limit. Have some fun. Up here we've got the prep station with the sink, live well right here. Now one of the things that Landon noticed earlier, thanks for pointing this out, is how deep this live well is. I mean, this live well is huge. Arguably one of the biggest hits on the 27 Dauntless is right here, the swim patio as they call it. I've heard it called a number of things. Swim patio, dog door, mother-in-law door, who cares? What we have here is a perfect example why this is the perfect boat for a fisherman with a family. So you've got your casting deck right here, rod holders too. This flips up. You got your seat. Like we talked about earlier, this is the twin engine option on the 27 Dauntless. Why does that excite me? A few reasons. One, it looks nice. Look at how nice these new cowlings are. Two, it sounds nice. Or it doesn't sound at all. Guess these engines are on and we're able to have a conversation. And also, when you drive this boat with two engines, your top end's great, but it also is great with a single engine. But where you really notice the difference driving is when you hammer it out of a hole from a standstill. Wow, it is the fastest boat to plane I've experienced in a long time. Down below, of course, we have an oversized head, real staple of the Boston Whaler line. Up here we've got another big hit feature. Got the lounger, the king or queen's throne as I like to call it. Serves a purpose also. Down here, massive amount of storage. Personally, it is where I have to sleep when I get kicked out of the house, and there's worse places to spend a night. Kidding. Even moving up further towards the bow, we have a great bow seating area. Check this out right here. Turn these into forward-facing seats while you're underway. Everybody's gonna enjoy themselves and have a great time. Man, this boat is full of surprises. Check this out right here. We do have a fully operational, windlass, automatic anchor hauler with your own remote. For all of you viewers watching up north, from wherever you are in the country, we're coming at you live right from Pasadena, Florida, St. Petersburg. It's freezing cold. It's in the 60s, and I don't know if we're gonna survive. All jokes aside, how lucky are we to live in a place that we can do this 12 months a year? Get on the boat, go. What better Christmas present is there for you and your family than a Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless? I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I would love nothing more than to make that happen for you and yours. Until next time, I'm signing off. Bye, guys.